Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you what is the exam pattern for the NPTEL examination course. So this NPTEL exam is of 100 marks and 25 marks are for assignment and the final exam score is for 75 marks. The total exam score is 100 marks and out of that, the 25% of percentage of weightage will be considered for the assignment score and the 75% weightage is considered for the final exam score. So suppose consider that you have these different types of week pattern in the NPTEL course. Suppose you are joining for the 4 week of course, you need to mandatory to solve 3 assignments. So 3 out of 4 assignments are mandatory. If you have joined the 8 week of course, you need to mandatory to solve 6 assignments. And if you have joined the 12 week of course, you need to attempt total 8 week of assignment. Suppose you have joined the 4 week of course, then NPTEL will provide you the assignments on your portal as per week wise. Suppose these are the week wise assignment, that is for week 1, week 2, week 3 and the week 4. So each and every assignment score will be calculated. It consists of maybe questions, 10 questions or 20 questions. It is depending on the trainer. All the assignments have the weightage of 100 marks each. Each and every assignment is having the 100 marks of weightage. If the questions are 10, so it will be considered as 100 marks of weightage. Out of that 100 marks, each and every week is having the 100 marks. Suppose the course is for 4 weeks, then whole assignment score will be considered as a 400 marks. And out of that 400 marks, the 25% of weightage will be considered. That is, the 25 marks will be considered from this assignment. And for passing marks, you need to score 10 marks out of 25. Suppose there are 400 marks of assignments are there. This 400 marks will not be considered while taking the 25% of weightage. They will take the best of 3 assignments. Suppose week 1, week 2 and week 3. And this is the week 4. Week 1 you got 90 marks. Week 2 you got 98 marks. Week 3 you got 92 marks. And week 4 you got 100 marks. So out of that 4 week, they will select best of 3 week of marks and depending on that marks, the score will be, final score will be calculated. So from this one, week 2, week 3 and week 4. These 3 weeks are having the highest weightage of the marks. So these 3 weeks will be considered for the as a best of 3. So it is similar to week 8 and week 12 also. The best of 6 will be considered here. The best of 8 will be considered here. But you need to mandatory to solve this 3, 6 and 8 assignment as per this week 4, 8 and 12 week of our course. So out of that 25 marks, this 10 marks is the passing score for your certification. For obtaining the certification, both the score will be important. The 25 marks of score is for assignment and the 75 marks is for your final exam. If you fail to attain both of the exam, then you will not get the certificate. So each and every passing score is mandatory to get the final certificate. So out of the 25, you need to score 10 marks, and out of 75, you need to score 30 marks. So here, this is the final exam pattern. So here, the 75% weightage of marks that will be considered for your weekly assignment. So your assignment score and your final exam score will be considered here, and your exam will be conducted by your examination center that is provided by your NPTEL exam. So you need to go to the exam center and you have to attempt this proctor examination, and the total 100 questions will be there in your exam. And out of that 100 question, the marks will be considered out of 75. And the passing marks will be 30 out of 75. For passing, you need to score at least 40 marks out of 100. Currently, the NPTEL has changed their pattern. Previously, the 100 questions will be given in the exam. But now onwards, they are going to attempt the total 50 questions. So the examination pattern is NPTEL will give the 50 questions in the final examination. And each and every question is having the 2 marks. So total 100 marks of exam will be there. And out of that, you need to attempt at least 20 questions correctly. So your 20 questions should be correct. Then you will get 20 into 2, that is 40 marks out of 100. And if you get 40 marks out of 100, then definitely you will get 30 marks out of 75. So 40 out of 100, that is nothing but 730 out of 75. So at least you need to solve correctly these 20 questions. If you solve 20 questions correctly, then and then only you will pass in the final exam. And if you score more, then depending on the marks, you will get the certification. So these are the different certification types are there. If you score more than 90 and less greater than or equal to 90, you will get Elite Plus Gold certificate. If you score 75 to 89, then you will get Elite Plus Silver Grade certificate. If you score more than 60 and equal to 60, then you will get Elite certificate. If you get a score between 40 to 59, then you will get a certificate for successfully completed. And if you score less than 40, then you will not get the certificate. So here, out of that 100 marks, your score can be calculated. And the score can be calculated based on the 25 marks of your assignment and 75 marks of your final exam. That is, the 100 marks will be considered for your final certificate. And your 2 criteria will be satisfied. Suppose you will get 10 out of 25 and 30 out of 75. Then and then only you will get the certificate, and that is called your final NPTEL exam certification. And based on the score range, the NPTEL will provide you the certificate. And the certificates are likewise. So this certificate is for your gold. This gold medal you will obtain if you score greater than equal to 90. If you score between 75 to 89, you will get this Elite Plus silver grade. If you got only greater than 60 marks but below 75, then you will get this Elite Badge certificate. And if you score between 40 to 59, then you will get the successfully completion of your NPTEL examination certificate. If you have registered for the FDP, whenever you are going to register for the exam, that time you have to select the option that is for FDP, and you need to pay 100 rupees for your FDP as well as your exam. For the examination fee, that is 1000 rupees, and for the FDP you need to pay extra 100 rupees. So here, this will be the certificate for your faculty development program, and you will get your certificate by your name with the passing percentage obtained in your examination. So this is the pattern for your NPTEL certifications.